Welcome to Vienna. We arrived in the Austrian capital and the city of music by 30 minutes train ride from the Slovak capital, Bratislava. Vienna, in German, Wien, in Czech, Wieden, in Hungarian, Bex. City and the Bundesland, aka the federal state, the capital of Austria. Of the country's 9 states, Vienna is the smallest in area but the largest in population. Great work of art, classical music, live music and clubs, grand architecture, churches, hot chocolate, history. Vienna has it all. Vienna is known to be the city of music. From the Beethoven to Mozart, Vienna waltz king Johann Strauss, and the wealth of other Austrian and international composers rose to musical fame in Vienna. Everywhere you walk, you can hear music. Each day, few dozen of Vienna concerts take place. For the last 10 years in a row, Vienna has been ranking as the best place to live in. We were in the Austrian capital for one whole day. It was very cold, it was freezing, but we enjoyed dearly. It's hard to believe the whole city is the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Although we have seen many constructions almost all over the place, which was a little bit concerning. After a long, amazing walk in the freezing cold, we ended the day with the famous Vienna hot chocolate. And then we packed our bag to move to the birthplace of Mozart, Salzburg. Now let's take a look at some beautiful photo of Vienna. The following photos has been taken with the Fuji X-T20 edited in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. See you in Salzburg.